Avoid these construction hazards that can derail your project, and keep your crew safe. Number 1. Falls from height are a leading cause of serious injuries on site. Protect edges, use harnesses and guardrails. Next, moving machinery can strike workers if traffic isn't controlled and operators aren't trained. Slips, trips and clutter at ground level cause many non-fatal injuries. Tidy up and mark hazards. Electrical risks, shocks and burns, happen if wires are exposed or equipment isn't maintained. And don't underestimate PPE, the wrong gear or improper use leaves workers vulnerable. Recognizing these hazards protects your crew, reduces downtime and keeps your site compliant. Inspect daily, train your team, and enforce safety routines. Prevention always wins. Follow for more safety tips, and share this with your team.